Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. To the Canvas LMS lesson on creating a quiz. We have our sample course template with some modules created. This is in the Canvas sandbox for teachers. So we have modules set up week 1, week 2, week 3, and we have week 16. Kind of skipped ahead, creating sample modules. In week 16, our final assignment, we have an assignment and a quiz. So we can see here different icons. So writing assignment, so we can write into the actual Canvas application, or we can submit an upload in Word, PDF, text, and the quiz is a little rocket ship here. We're going to create a quiz. So we added a module right here. We added a quiz under the module. We select quiz, create quiz, and we gave it a name. So we have the quiz name. Didn't create the quiz, we just added it as a placeholder. So let's click cancel. So we're going to go into the final quiz here. So we can increase, if we edit here, this is confusing. If we edit, it only edits the name. It doesn't edit the quiz. Move to, remove. So we have to actually click here in the middle, the name, instead of edit. So click on the quiz. So week 16 final quiz. This is a graded quiz. How many points? Everyone. So we have to create this quiz. So nothing to preview. There's no questions. Now we can edit. Okay, details first. Details tab first. Week 16 final quiz. In this section, we have the overview of what this quiz is about, our text field, with paragraph formatting. We can insert links, images, media, documents. So if we need the student to review a document or an image or media, or they can review the material to take the quiz. You can have that in a different module or in the quiz. Depends how you want to set this up. So I won't walk you through all this. We're going to talk about the questions actually. Okay, so down at the bottom, this is a graded quiz. So it's a practice quiz, graded quiz, or a survey. So this will be a graded quiz. It is in the assignments group for grading. Do you want to shuffle answers? Yes and no. If you shuffle answers, the answers will be shuffled every time the person takes the quiz. And each student will have a different answer shuffle. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. If there's 4 answers, it might be 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's good to kind of have the students not cheat and look at the same answers next to each other if you're in the same classroom setting. But if a student has a question on a quiz and says, oh, for this quiz on question number 3, I marked C and it said it was incorrect. Well, C, if it's shuffled, we don't know what the actual answer was. So if we keep the answers in order, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we know we can address the student's question. Okay, we'll talk about that. Time limit, how much time do they need? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or unlimited, and allow multiple attempts. And then it gives you the highest score or the average score. If you're in class, I would set a time limit, 10, 15 minutes. You don't want those students to take all their time to take a quiz. So I'll make 10 minutes. So this is a 10-minute quiz at the beginning of class. Allow multiple attempts. If it's going to be difficult, maybe, or if just one. How many attempts are allowed, or 1? So let's do two attempts and their highest score. Let's see the students see their quiz responses. Incorrect will be marked. So if you have multiple attempts, then you don't want them to see the quiz responses, right? Only after each last attempt, only after each attempt. So show 1 question at a time. Okay. So this is your preference. How do you want? If you want multiple attempts, sure, but it's 10 minutes. Depends how many questions. So they get 1 attempt on this one. So let them see their responses, one question at a time. So to present question 1, answer it, question 2, answer it, or all of them in a row. Okay. Quiz restrictions require access code. So it'll be locked in the module until the time it's set to be available at the bottom here. So let's talk about this. So is it assigned to, when is it due? Okay, we have a due date, yes. It's due by the 27th. When is it available? It's available the 27th at 12 a.m. Okay, until that midnight. Or we can change the time. So you can have it due on a certain date or available. So does it require a passcode? Not necessarily. Is it locked? Yes. Okay, we can show it's locked. So one question at a time. Okay, so these are quiz settings, assignments. So how much time at multiple attempts. So one question at a time. Filter IP address. We don't really need to worry about that. It's if it's really only for remote people. Okay, so click save. Oh, I don't need access code. Click save. Save. Saved. Okay, so we have our quiz settings. Edit. Go back to edit. So again, add your content, your quiz settings, when it's available. Questions. New question. Okay. So new questions. What kind of question is it? What's your question? This is cumbersome. Multiple choice, true, false, fill in the blank, multiple answers, matching. A lot of questions you can create. True, false. So let's do a few and we'll see how this works. Okay. What is the formula? Okay, that is your question. This is your description. Okay, come down here. What is it? This is the correct answer, or correct answer, correct answer. So if it's not shuffled, then we got to pick the right answer. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay. Okay, the green is the correct answer of the question. So we here see how we have the question name and this with the description. So if I edit this, hint, it is addition. So this is our question at the top. This could be our description or a hint. How many points is this worth? So if we have 10 questions, each one's worth a point. 10 questions, 2 points, 1 point, 5 questions. That's up to you. So I'll make this 2 points. Save. Okay. Go back to edit. Go back to questions. Okay, we have new question. So let's true, false. Is pi 3.14? So true, false. So it's true or false. So what's the correct answer? True or false? Okay. Save. Oh, see, this is where quizzes get tricky because if we add a new question, we have to update the question and then save it. So this is where it gets cumbersome. Is pi 3.14? Remembers. Okay, true, false. True. We can add a comment. Update question. Okay. So instead of clicking save, we save all the questions together as a group. So what is the formula? Is pi 3.14. New question. Okay. Fill in the blank. what is good fill in the blank? The area of a circle is. Okay. Oh, cancel. This is where quizzes get cumbersome. Okay, edit. Questions. New question. Okay, I was in these other questions, editing these questions instead of a new one. Okay. Is. Okay. Save. Let's go to student view real quick. Okay, modules. Go down to week 16. Oh, it's not available. Leave student view. See, it was locked. We gotta go over here. Edit. Oh, sorry. Edit. That's edit here. Save it. Now I go to student view. Lots of back and forth with quizzes. Modules. Did I publish that? Probably didn't publish that. Oh, it is published. Okay, published. Let's preview it from here, from the. Okay, this is a preview version. Okay. Next. Next. Oh, we forgot question 3. See, that's cumbersome here. Submit quiz. Okay. Student view. Oh, there's a prerequisite on this one? Perhaps. Okay, a little back and forth here. Edit. See, that one's locked. We have to unlock both. So update that module. Now go to quiz 16. Go to edit. Go to questions. Student view. Take the quiz. There you go. That's what I meant to take the quiz. So now 1. Okay. Next. So we have our time remaining, 9 minutes, 54 seconds. These are all questions that the students have to answer. Don't know why it says question 2 there. Okay. Submit quiz. This is the EdTech Tutor channel. Thank you for watching this episode. Be sure to like and subscribe and return back for more episodes coming soon.